Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and signing in. First, make sure every device uses the exact same Apple ID. Open Settings or System Settings and verify your name and account. Once done, update each device to the latest iOS or Mac OS so compatibility is guaranteed. Also enable two-factor authentication for your Apple ID. This secures keychain and iCloud syncing. After these checks, move directly to Messages settings to begin the actual sync process across your devices. Now you configure Messages to use iCloud so conversations sync. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap Messages, then Send and Receive, and toggle Messages in iCloud. Sign in if prompted and confirm your phone number and email are checked. On Mac, open Messages, go to Settings, iMessage, and enable Messages in iCloud. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and connected to power. The first sync uploads your message database, which can take time depending on size, so be patient and avoid interrupting. Finish by confirming everything matches across devices. Check that send and receive addresses and read receipts are consistent. Mismatched settings cause missing threads. If messages don't appear, sign out of iMessage on the affected device, restart it, then sign back in and re-enable Messages in iCloud. This forces a refresh. Also verify network connectivity and iCloud storage available. If problems persist, check Apple system status and, if needed, contact Apple support. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves stubborn syncing glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.